Forgot to show you how I'm ripping the boards to make the strapping for the sides. So I just got some repurposed 2x4s. These are true 2x4s because they're rough lumber. And I got a track that actually came off the RV. And I measure and then cut. Strapping. You gotta be a pretty steady hand with it, but just take your time. There'll be no trouble. I think they're 81 inches from the top. I definitely am sure. Even set my style lower so I can do it on top of the 2x4 I got there. Now to get it in some framing. And like the rest of them, I just line them up according to the paint job really, and where the other edge is, and where the other ones are lined up. So I got one on each end so far. Just gonna put one in the middle. Moving on to some of this rotten stuff. I'm in the bedroom now, and I went to move the light and it just came out of the wall. The good thing is I'll know this was a light. But I'll also add these back on. They don't have to be on there like crazy tight or anything. They're not going to go on crazy tight. Just twist them and they'll wrap around the wire. Wanted something straight, and not much round, but so happens this actually fits perfect. Just cut off in strips. Exposing this layer of styrofoam back here. But I found frame. And I really don't know if these light fixtures do work or not. I think they are a bit weathered. Probably buy some new ones. Look at the framing. Quality. Continuing on. I'm trying to tackle this side bed table. Located all the screws. Are you attached to the floor somehow? Well, I thought it was rotten enough to release from these brackets, but I guess it isn't. Oh, you will move. What's stopping you now, huh? Come on, old girl. That's our side table. Good to have it apart now. I can hook all these drawers up properly and replace the hardware if need be and give this a paint job, and it's going back once that's clean. Just applying some protective tape to all the strapping. This kind of tape you want to apply from the bottom up. That way when it overlaps, the rain can run down. I'm gonna silicone all the edges too. I trust the tape, but it's mostly just to give me a covering for wood protection more than anything. I guess potentially a pretty big project day. Because this wall here, I may have said it already, but this was damaged from the ladder. Is that country chick paint?
Country chic.
Country chic. I'm no plasterer, nor painter, nor carpenter, or electrician. But I wanted to just patch up some of these holes on the wall, and I had some of that putty left, and none of them were really big holes. I didn't think plaster was going to matter, so now I just got to cover all this stuff in. Well, that's enough work done, I think, for this one. Hopefully the weather keeps up the next few days and we can start working on part 3.